नमस्कार दोस्तों, बैंकिंग अफेयर्स में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम मई थर्ड वीक के करंट अफेयर्स की चर्चा करेंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच इंस्टीट्यूशन रिसेंटली डेवलप्ड ए कोविड-19 एंटीबॉडी डिटेक्शन किट डिप कोवैन। ओके, सो दिस इज डेवलप्ड बाय DRDO। DRDO रिसर्च स्टैंड फॉर डिफेंस रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। DRDO का हेडक्वार्टर आपको नई दिल्ली में मिलेगा और इसके हेड हैं जी सतीश रेड्डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया विल ट्रांसफर हाउ मच अमाउंट टू द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट फॉर द अकाउंटिंग पीरियड ऑफ 9 मंथ्स एंडेड March 31st 2021। सो रिजर्व बैंक विल ट्रांसफर 99,122 करोड़। नेक्स्ट, Hyperwerg announced partnership with which of the following bank for AI-powered online account opening? So this is done with C, SBI, State Bank of India, and Hyperwerg announced. Next, which bank announced to launch of its fully digitalized loan processing system offering over 50 products to MSME and the agriculture sector? So this is announced by IDBI Bank. IDBI. Next, which state has ranked first in the implementation of Smart City Mission scheme? So first rank of the state, that is E, Jharkhand. Next, RBI has imposed how much penalty on City Union Bank for contravention of certain directions issued by the central bank? So RBI imposed 1 crore penalty on City Union Bank. Which destroyer of the Indian Navy has decommissioned on May 21st? So this is INS Rajput. INS Rajput decommissioned on May 21st, 2021. So this is commissioned in 1980. Commission in Indian Navy at 1980. Okay. हमारा अगला क्वेश्चन है, who won 10th annual World Choreography Award 2020? So Suresh Mukund won 10th annual award of choreography. Next, which state has topped in setting up health and wellness center under Ayushman Bharat? So this is state of Karnataka. Karnataka has topped setting up health and wellness centers under Ayushman Bharat. Okay. Next question है, Martha Karmabu Kome is appointed as the first woman chief justice of which country? So that country is Kenya. Okay, Kenya. हमारा अगला क्वेश्चन है, which country launched a long March 4B rocket carrying the Hyang 2D HY2D satellite? This country is China. Capital of China is Beijing and present president of China is Xi Jinping. Next, which country has topped the EY's Renewable Energy Country Attractiveness Index? So he is USA. USA is top in EY's Renewable Energy Country Attractiveness Index. Next, which company announced the buy SoftBank backed SB Energy in $3.5 billion deal? This is Adani Green Group. Okay. Next, according to S&P Global Market Intelligence data, which country is second largest insurance technology market in Asia Pacific? So this country is India. India is second largest market in insurance technology market in Asia Pacific. Next question, which company decided to launch its new showcase feature in India and is partnering with 30 news organizations? So this is done by Google. अगला क्वेश्चन, which regulator is approved the acquisition of Yes Asset Management India Limited and Yes Trustee Limited by GPL Finance and Investment Limited. So this is approved by CCI. CCI stand for Competition Commission of India. Next question है India's WPI whole price index inflation surged to how much percent in April 21? So this is 10.49%. Next, MoMA market app for home delivery of fresh vegetables launched by which state? So the state is Manipur. Manipur launched this app for fresh vegetable. Next, Ministry of Tribal Affairs and which company MOU for digital transformation of tribal school? So this is done by Microsoft. Microsoft and Tribal Ministry MOU for digital transformation of tribal school. Next, which state launched Medicine from the Sky project involving delivery of medicine through multiple drones? So this is done by Telangana. Telangana CM is K. Chandrasekhar Rao and capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Which telecom operators has recently been joined the global consortium to build an undersea cable network? So this is joined by Reliance Jio. Next, the supercomputer named Simorgh has been developed by which country recently? So that country is Iran. India's first agriculture export facilitation center has been unveiled in which city? So that is Pune. In Pune recently India's first agriculture export facilitation center unveiled. Next, the National Digital Financial Infrastructure is a next generation digital financial infrastructure being built by the body of Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology. Google Cloud with which company signed a deal for providing internet service through Starlink satellite? So that company is SpaceX. SpaceX head is Elon Musk. Okay. India lost the ONGC Videsh Limited discovered Farjad B gas field. Farjad B gas field situated in Iran. Who has won the Miss Universe 2021 crown? It is Andrea Meja. Next, which state launched Ayush Ghar Dwar program to keep the home isolated COVID-19 positive patient healthy by practicing yoga? So he is Himachal Pradesh. Recently, Himachal Pradesh government launched this program for COVID positive patient at home isolated. Who is the author of the book that is Sikkim, A History of Intrigue and Alliance? So this is written by Preet Mohan Singh Malik. Which Indian American has been appointed senior advisor to US President Joe Biden? So that is Neera Tandon. Neera Tandon appointed senior advisor to US President. Name the cyclone that has hit Gujarat coast, Maharashtra, Goa and other western state coast. So that is Taukte. Recently Taukte hit all the various states of western India state. Which country has successfully landed a spacecraft on Mars? That is China. Recently China's Zhurong spacecraft on Mars landed successfully. Who elected CEO of Bata India? So Ms. Gunjan Shah elected CEO of Bata. So एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. इसी के साथ ये वीडियो यहीं पर समाप्त होता है और इसी के साथ ये वीडियो समाप्त हुआ. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है तो आप इसको लाइक करिए और अपने उन दोस्तों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करिए जो बैंकिंग एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस. हैव एन ऑसम डे.